I haven't posted a YouTube video in months, years, but I'm back. So hi guys, and welcome or welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video we'll be using I don't want to butcher the name, but this clay. This is 100% natural bentonite clay known to draw out oils and impurities from the skin and hair pores. It's a popular detoxifying mask. I've seen people use the clay with apple cider vinegar, but this is only apple cider vinegar I have. But I could mix it with water, or I could just use it without the apple cider vinegar. I've seen some people do that, but I'll use a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. They want me to explain what apple cider vinegar is? No, Alex. Let me get the proper definition. Let me get the proper definition of what exactly this is used for. I'm just saving you the time of going to research it. You can just pause and read. The main purpose is to deep cleanse, detoxify the scalp, and improve hair health. I have a container and I also have a palette stick. This I read where they say not to use metal. The metal will reduce the clay's effectiveness. It wouldn't work properly. Now right now my hair is a bit dry because I had it in twist and I took out the twist recently and I did a twist out, so it's a bit dry. My hair is also colored, and since it got colored I have been keeping up with my steams. I've been deep conditioning and moisturizing, so it's not damaged. You can still have healthy dyed hair, and that is what I am trying to achieve. I've been seeing a lot of people doing this mask in the hair, and I really wanted to try it for a long time, and well, we're doing it today. So in my bowl I'll be pouring the clay straight in. Do you think this will be enough for my hair? I think I added some more. Luckily, I have a next full container. Now just pour that. We're gonna have to make this do because it's like a bowl here, so in a container, we will have to make that work. I'll be pouring in some apple cider vinegar now. I used to use this clay mask on my face, so I'm accustomed to the texture of this mask. So I eyeballing it, but you could go and look at the measurement. They said to add raw apple cider vinegar as well as some water. So I'll just mix what's in here, and if it need more liquid, I will just add the water. Like, definitely need more liquid. We want to mix all these lumps out. Looking at this now, I feel like I definitely need some more in this container. It's not looking like enough for my hair, honestly. But I think we will work with that. If we need more, I will just make more. They say do this on damp hair. So I'm going in with my spray bottle and wet my hair. I haven't washed my hair yet. I will wash my hair after when I'm rinsing out the clay. I bought this continuous spraying bottle and I absolutely love it. You know how those other bottles be wetting it down? This gives a very nice light mist, and I really do like this bottle. Now that my hair is wet, I'll just go in and section it off because it'll be easier to work with when it's in smaller sections. If y'all been on my Instagram or TikTok, you would have known that I have an industrial, and it's been
seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months.
It's been 10 months. It's been 10 months since I got the piercing, and I believe that I have a fully healed industrial. Woo! This is beside the point. This is beside the point. A fully healed industrial. I did have some bumps on all 4 piercings, but on all 4, well, 1, 2, and out, inside, out. But I got that under control and have a healing industrial. But do I trust taking the earring out for more than 24 hours? No. I'm just going in and re-wet my hair because the length of time it took me to take off my earrings, which wasn't even long, my hair done dry back up already. And this is the section I'll be working with. I will split that into an even smaller section. And I feel like this section has to be smaller as well. Now I'm going to just add the clay. So now I'm just going to add the clay to my hair from the ends to the root and work that all through the hair strand. And off the bat, it's elongating my hair and I feel like it's hard to work with. Now we started and I have no going back from here, so I will just continue. This is it fully in my hair. I could definitely see my curls there. It's also elongated. Right now it does feel a bit dry because the clay feels dry. It was a little bit hard to work with because the clay didn't give much of a slip. I guess that's why they say dampen it here and not wet it here, because if it did it wet, I realized that at some parts that were wet when I add the clay, like the water was draining out. So definitely do it on damp hair if you decide to do it. So I will let this sit in my hair, then I will go and shampoo it and I would be right back. I have clay all over me, like all over my body have clay. Another thing, if you have any remaining, like I was going good until coming down to the end, I got a bit extra heavy handed, so I needed to make a little more. So I made a little more, but I ended up having a little bit remaining from that little more. You could put it on your face like a face mask and then wash off when you're washing off your hair. So for the washing part, I'll be using the Miel products, the shampoo and the conditioner. I have a little bit in this one, so I might finish out this. This is what I've been using and this is what I've been loving so far. Usually I would deep condition as well with one of their products, but I don't think I'll be doing that today. This is my hair after washing the thing out, and honestly my hair never looked like this when I finish. When I wet it, this looking very hydrated moisturized and the curls. I didn't even shampoo or anything yet. I'm in shock. This is my hair freshly after the wash. It definitely feels a lot softer. It feels like if I have leave-in conditioner in it already. And I could usually, after I wash it, I will have to spray it and go in with leave-in conditioner and then work with it. The way it feels right now, it feels like I could work with it as it is, and it's more or less dry right now. At this point, I will go in and just style my hair. So that will be the end of this video. If you reached this far of the video, I want to say thank you for watching and stay tuned to see what's more. I will try to keep up with posting more videos, but I definitely have some videos in mind. So stay tuned. Bye guys.